Hey YouTubers out there, it's WordTech. Decided to make a 3D resin print of my Clovis point. Um, as you can see, it's about the same dimension. It's lost a lot of details. I had some notion that I would be able to email exact duplicates. Well, that's not true. The edge is very dull. This is a clear resin, as you can see, but the overall dimensions are, well, pretty much identical. It feels like a Clovis, it's just one that's been weathered for a long time. Anyway, you can see it's about the same on both sides of it. There's something unusual about the print. It looks like a topo map on it. I'm not exactly sure why that is. It seems like from going from 2D to 3D, it puts these little lines in it. So here's a quick picture, and you can kind of see if you look really closely what it is. But in the end, this is the printer itself, and that's what it looks like. Anyway, thanks. Bye.